Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a great strategy for you on pocket option. Don't forget about likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube and Telegram channel. In Telegram channel you will find a lot of options to make money and make a profit from pocket option. Let's get started.
We're in a broker. I will start with a $60 balance. And as usual, we'll open on a 1 minute time frame, guys. All currency pairs with the most relevant analysis have already been selected for you, and in general we only have to select indicators. Today we will analyze universal strategy with which you can trade both in the flat dynamics of movement and according to the trends and against the trends. Now in general, let's pick up the Keltner channel and two stochastic oscillators. We will not change settings of the Keltner channel, they remain the same default settings, and we will only configure stochastic. On the lower stochastic, let's choose a period of 10. Let me just put it on 10, and the overbought and oversold areas will be left at 70 and 30. Alright. We changed the value of the first stochastic, now we change the value of the second stochastic. Here we see the period, the set period to 5, and overbought and oversold area the same as the previous 70 and 30. Okay, indicator setup is complete. Now I think we can start trading, of course. As long on my trading you will understand how to properly open positions by this strategy. Let's choose the first currency pair. For example, here, long position, good entry point. By the way, I will highlight the workspace for you to explain the deal. So we can see in this case our movement is inside the channel. So therefore we're considering a rebound from the middle line of the Keltner channel. Then in general we have a good point of contact, we have a good exit here, and also our movement on stochastics went into the oversold area, so we will wait for the exit from it and we will wait for the upward dynamics. Let's see, I think in the last seconds our position will have turn around and go up. We have 17 seconds. Okay, we have a candle that has already risen to the top. We have a shadow, not a bad size, so I'm sure this position will close in the profits. We just have a good opening level here, and yep, just like that our first position is on profit. Let's put down all our money, and that's good. As you see, strategies works. Here we looked at the trading a rebound from the midline along the channel, Keltner channel. So let's try to open some other trades, positions, and pick the next currency pair. Okay, here short position goes in, good entry point into the transaction. Will be, let me select the working area for explanation, and I'm sorry, there's some trainings for the weekend. So in general we can highlight that we have a broken through the resistance area in this area. A new local high has formed for us, and accordingly a new extreme point means that we should have a great price rollback. And in general we see exit from overbought areas. According to the stochastic we see an exit and open for a decline in the price rollback. We open here, of course, the rollback has already happened, 3 candles. We have a rollback, but in general I think that a little stronger the price should go up in the last seconds. The candle shows impulse downwards. This is what I'm talking about, guys. We're in the profits, even with the noises of the airplanes, because it's gonna be celebrating the holiday. I'm sorry for that. So yeah, let's continue. We opened against the trend, and overall we closed this in profits. So let's open some other position, and I will select the next currency pair for it. Okay, let's open a similar deal here. Why not to consolidate result? I think these transactions have a place to be here. Let's also highlight the workspace. Look, here we see a very strong upward dynamics. without rollbacks. And here we have just this local high. A rollback has started, and accordingly I think it should be of a long-term nature. We see an exit from the overbought area according to stochastics, therefore all indicators tell us that it's better to open a deal still on the downside. I think our candle should still go down, and then we have the price should roll back because the previously very strong upward dynamics was 10 seconds left until the completion of our transaction. And you can see here is in the previous transaction, guys, our price goes down in a rollback. Nice, we're in the profits. Here we have consolidated the same principle of entering a transaction as before. So yes, this strategy is truly universal, guys. We open against the trend, again, in the price correction, and in general received a good profit for these transactions. Let's open another transaction, another position, try to open a deal for a long, and we will select the next currency pair. Alright, let's open a short here again. Here we open, let me select the workspace, we're opening by trend. We immediately understand that the trend dynamics are downward. We draw trend lines, we have a good point of contacts for decrease, right? And our movement is inside the channel. It has bounced off the upper moving average, that is, with the strong upward dynamics, or rather a downward dynamics after the rollback, the dynamics go away. Stochastics also show us an exit from the overbought area, so the deal is open for a decline, right? Let's see how you can see the rollback did not happen, but this candle has already gone down. We have a red candle. We doesn't have it. I mean the red candle. Of course, we did not see the rollback, but in general, great opening level, and we're in the profits. That's good. Let's put down 735 and continue. Here we opened short position in the direction of the trend, and again recorded a good profit. Let's pick up the next currency pair. Okay, let's open the position for long here, opened against the trend, and let's look at these dynamics. We are now forming a new local low, accordingly, after which I think the dynamics of the movement should go up. For clarity, I will show you. Here I found a support area. Right, here is a newly formed local low, after which we will actually expect an upward exit. Also stochastics, both stochastics are in the oversold area, as you can see, so we will wait exit from the oversold area, respectively. Not a very good level of opening deal. After opening the previous candle, gave an impulse downwards. But nevertheless, we see that even with such an unsuccessful open deal, the position still closes in a profit, and that's great. The result is that's what I need. How strong a rollback we will get? In general, I think that there will be a strong rollback, but not so much, to be honest. Let's change the amount of the value, put 645. Open two positions for the amount of $1,290. Let's try to open another similar deal. We see that we still have a rollback, so to consolidate the result, so to speak, we will open the same deal, and let's pick up the next currency pair for it. Okay, we opened two transactions here for the price increase. As soon as I saw that candle showed an upward trend, I immediately opened a position. Why? Since when the candle closes, it shows an upward movement impulse, then the movement should actually go up. The next candle should also go up. Let's get down to analysis. So, the upward dynamics of opening along the trend is always more reliable than opening against the trend, of course, of movement within the channel. We have a price rebound from the lower area of the Keltner channel. Here we see exit from the oversold area for both stochastics, so here the deal should be opened 100% for a long. That's why we opened position for a long. Let's wait. We have 3 seconds, and our positions as the profits. That's great results, great strategy, because by strategy we did it. Let's put down 1,000 and make it bigger. Alright, 2 positions are open here for a short. We have an exit according to stochastics. The opening here is already against the trend, but here the strategy helps us. As I played on the universal one, we had an exit to the outer part of the Keltner channel movement, then the formation of a new price maximum, after which accordingly you should have a rollback down. And if you look at the past rollbacks that we had, then we have a movement that should go back inside the channel. Also here we see an exit from the oversold area on both stochastics. So let's look at the movement. I'm absolutely satisfied with a good opening level and with the movement. There's a small reverse, more or less opened on time. As we see, the price is ours. It just went up higher now. The last seconds of our trades are now quite a tense moment, and yes, we're in the profits. That's great, guys. We closed in the profits without any problems, as usual. Of course, towards the end, this candle scared us a little. The price went up, but overall, the trade was absolutely correct. Therefore, to consolidate the results, right, I propose opening transactions for the amount of $4,000. Let's open position for long and select the final currency pair for it. Okay, here we go, our all final positions. We open long positions, excellent deals at an excellent level. I could say we have with an upward dynamics. Look what a rollback happened, guys, and thank God we caught it. Let's highlight the workspace, then everything is simple for us here. Yeah, the movement has sharply crossed our Keltner channel and made its exit. The exit was here, and the local high, the local low is more precisely immediately formed here. Good touch point. We will wait for an exit from the oversold area. Opening on the trend, as I said, is a very good. In general, the trend always helps us, and you can see the result of the final positions, guys. You can see that candle will look at this correction. We had such a recovery of dynamics. Is sharp, is impulsive, as I said. Very good entry. Nice, we did it. We took all our profits and we did it. All right, we have 7,400 on the balance. I like this result. It's a good profit, and I will finish on this result, of course. Very good result. Result was from $60. We started from $60, guys. You can see that 7,000 from $60. Very easy, friends. Very easy. You can just repeat after me and go to my Telegram channel, and you will have the same profit. $7,400. Okay. Let me just put some numbers, and we're good. All right. Okay, great, guys. Our operation is successfully done. Very great trading, I could say, even with the planes that flies over my office. I don't like it, but I wish you will not be so angry. But because the profit is great, 7,400 from a 60. So have a good market. Bye bye.